In this video, I'll show you how to install Wattpad on your Windows PC or laptop, so you can open it like a regular desktop app. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type wattpad.com, then press Enter to open the official Wattpad website. Once the website has loaded, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may also see an installation icon on the right side of the address bar. A confirmation window will now appear. Rename the app to Wattpad if necessary, then click Install. After a few seconds, Wattpad will open in its own window, just like a regular application. A shortcut may also be added to your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar for faster access. Keep in mind that this installs the Wattpad website as a desktop app. It gives you quicker access, but it still requires an internet connection for most features. And that's how you install Wattpad on a Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.